Stay tuned on how I got this beautiful book of these unique keychains. Well, beaded keychains. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a unique beaded keychain using my beads and my resin lips that I've done. I'm gonna use it with the string. Some of these little things to go in between my beads, and probably these hearts and stars and these little keychain things and these things to put on there. Stay tuned. So I'm using this much because I don't think it's gonna be long. I don't want it to be long. So it'll be probably like this short, just short. Well, this long, or probably shorter. I have to see first. So let's get into the video. So I will be using these colors right here. Colors I will be using to match this. So, and then I already got it prepped like this. Put my keychain, to put my lips on this part right here. So what I'm doing now is splitting it. I'm gonna put three beads on each side. Now I came up with this myself, well, the design myself, on how I want my things to be. So, and if y'all like it, let me know so I can make more for y'all. This start is going to be the hardest part to get on here. Yeah, I thought it was, but yeah. Put another one of these on here. And split it apart. And put a pink one on the other side. I mean, on the other row. Can't really see the holes on this thing. Put another one of these splitting things on here. Bring it down. And another, well, yeah, another star. I think I said a heart, but I didn't mean to say heart. This is another star. Got another one of these on here. This time I'm gonna put blue and then pink. Blue again. These hoes are so little I can't even see them. Then I'm gonna put another these ring things on here. And then another star on here. And one more of these things on here. Then I'm gonna put this I won't say a jump ring. That's not really what it is. I'm gonna put that on there. And then I'm gonna turn it like, put it in a knot. And keep on, I'm gonna do it like 3 times. Tie it 3 times. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on here. Then I'm gonna put my lips on. So I'll be back to show y'all how I put it on there. So I'm gonna take this thing right here, keychain ring. I'm gonna open this up. I don't know where my tools at that I need with this. It's somewhere around here. I'm gonna come back when I have it on here. Okay, this is how it looks so far. Like this. So what I'm gonna do now is put my lips on there. I've been wanting to do this for the longest, but I be wanting to do it, but then I get busy doing something else. So this is what it looks like. And I got gold on there because it's, if you can see, it's kind of it's gold in the lips right here. You can see it. That's why I have gold and silver on here. Well, what I'm gonna do is I can't cut it with that. I'm gonna cut these off. And this is the first one that I've done. But I make these right here. I make them. The resin stuff, I make these. I have a whole lot of these different kind of lips. So, but yeah, I think it's a real cute. I think it's real cute. And this is the other one that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna use gold on that one too, because I don't have no silver things like these. So I'm gonna just use gold on it. And this one's gonna be a little shorter than the other one because the other one is long. And I don't want it that long, but it's cute though. I'm gonna do the same thing. I gotta clip my fingernails because I need to be able to grip it on these things. I'm gonna put it on here. Ain't grip this stuff for nothing. See? Yeah, it may not look the same color as the lips, but it really is. It's just the lighting on the video. I had to feel the flatness on there, on these beads, for me to put them on there. And I'm gonna put these on there again, like I did the other ones, or the other one, the other ones, other one. See? This would be cute too, as a bracelet. It'd be real cute. See, I'm getting an idea. And I probably will be doing a bracelet that looks like this, going around the arm. Yeah. And I found my thing for these things right here. I have bigger ones, but I don't even know what it is. I gotta find them too. Then I'm gonna take it, put it through here. And tie it. Make sure the opening part somewhere. Yep, right here. Not like 5 times for it won't be 4 or 5 times so it won't be coming loose when you go put it on your keychain. And I'm gonna open it back up and put this thing on here, the keychain thing on here. And take it and close it up. Then come down here. Then come down here and put another one on here. So I can put my lips on it. Just like this. Take it and close it up. And that's the final look of it. Of that one. This is what it looks like. I like this one too. Then I'm gonna go and cut these off. Stuff that don't needs to be on here. That's what it looks like. I had to put it on this so y'all can see it better. But you see, it's the same color as this. This is the same color as this. I'm gonna have to make this, probably take this part off and make it a little shorter. I don't know yet, but that's what I might just do. Because this is long. It's cute. And this is cute. I ain't never did this. This is cute. I like it. I want y'all to comment which one y'all like the best. But this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so you know when I post another video.